In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a 3D model into your WordPress site. If you have a WordPress page, you can go to the dashboard and create a new post. You can fill up the page as the way you want it. And after that, you can create a row. And in the row, add a custom HTML element. At this moment, we should open the Linky3D website, select our project, embed via iframe and copy to clipboard. And we should paste our code here. If you want, you can add additional styling to this component. At this stage, we should be able to preview it. Okay, it works. Let's go back and publish. The post is published. Let's have a look. So pretty much that's all. If you are interested, please visit our website linky3d.com.